Hi class 7, welcome to the maths class once again. So today we are going to continue with exercise number 8.1 where we have done till number 4. So we are going to start with number 5 and we are going to know some of the more algebraic expression sums. Okay, so let's get started with number 5. Here in number 5, what kind of sum it is, what has been asked to us. First of all, look at the sum number 5. It has been said that identify the terms and their factors in the algebraic expression. Now in case of this two, both of this, look at this, this is an expression, right? So this is an algebraic expression. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the terms from these and eventually we have to find the factors. Okay, so for both of it, I am writing it down. Alright, now here first things first, the first term is x and y. Okay, xy is the first term. Now from there, what are the factors we are going to get? X and y, right? Now the second term is plus 2x square y square. Okay, from here what we are going to get? 2x square and y square. So how many factors are there in total in this algebraic expression? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where x, y from xy, 2x square y square from 2x square y square. Okay. Similarly, we are going to solve the second one where the first term is 1.2 AB. And from here, what we are going to get? What are the factors we are going to get? 1.2, comma, A, comma, B. Okay. Number B, here, minus 2.4 B. So from here, what we are going to get? Minus 2.4 and B. Number 3 or C, that is 3.6 A. From here we are going to get 3.6 and A. Okay. So this is how we are going to deal with this. Now coming to the number 6. Here you can see this is an algebraic expression and this is also an algebraic expression. Now what we have to do? We have to find a tree diagram. We have to make a tree diagram from this. Now we have already learned from the tree diagram how we are going to make it. First we are going to break this into terms. Then we are going to break those terms into factors, right? So similar thing we are going to do with the second one too. Okay. So here how we are going to do. The first term is 8x. The next one is 3y square. Alright, so we have got both of the terms. Now we are going to break it down into factors. Now what are the factors we are getting from here? 8x. So 8 and x. Alright, now from here, first one is 3. Then y square means y into y. So first one is first y and the next one is another y. Okay, so this is how we do the tree diagram. Coming to the next one, look at this. Similar method we are going to follow. The first term is 5x y square. Second one is 7x square y. Okay, now from here we are going to sort the factors. First one is 5, next x, y square means first y and second y. Alright, similar thing here. First factor 7, second factor 1x, another x because there is x square means x into x and the last one is y. So this is how we do the tree diagram. Coming to the number 7, look at this. Now, when we were studying about the coefficient, you remember we have talked about the numeral coefficient and literal coefficient, right? Now, numeral coefficient are those kind of coefficient which are numbers or various kind of forms of numbers, while the literal coefficients are the variables. Okay, so here they have asked the numeral coefficient from this term. Okay, so from this term we can understand what is the numeral coefficient. Here 2 by 3 is the numeral coefficient from this term. This is a term itself, you know that, right? So from this term we get the numeral coefficient as 2 by 3 because 2 by 3 is the only number form or numerals present out there. Okay, now coming to the number 8. Here you have been asked that coefficient of x in two terms are given in both of the sums. Okay. Now, when we were studying about the coefficient, we have already said that what are the coefficients which are those kind of numbers. Suppose this is a number, right? Minus 4bx. Okay. Now here, if they have asked that coefficient of x from this term, this is a term itself. Now from this term, we have to find the coefficient of x. This term containing x minus 4bx. So other than x, what are remaining? That is the coefficient of x. So other than x, what is there? Minus 4b. So minus 4b is the coefficient of x in this term. Okay. Similarly, when we are doing number 3, here the term itself is minus x. Now, you remember whenever we are splitting this term, x is multiplied with a minus 1. Okay, that's why it is giving minus x. When x is multiplied with minus 1, it gives minus 1 means x into 1, first of all, keeping the sign aside. Okay, so here what is multiplied with x, that is minus 1. So what is the coefficient of x? Here minus 1 is the coefficient. Now coming to the sum number 9. Okay. Now look at the question. In minus 7xy square z cube, write down the coefficient of certain terms are given. Okay. So here first, see, I have taken the number 1 and 3 as a template. Now this is the term. First term, initial parent term is minus 7 x y square z cube. Okay. Now we have to find the coefficient of certain required terms. Okay. So we have to find what? First one is 7x. Now where is 7x? What is remaining with it? Minus, the sign is remaining, y square z cube. So minus y square z cube is the coefficient of 7x. Okay. Number 3, x, y, z. Okay. Now this is very interesting. Look at this very carefully. First, z is taken, x is taken. Now how many y's are there? 2 y's are there because y square means y into y. Okay. So y is taken. Now first let's break this term. Okay. From here, break this term. Minus 7 into x into y into y into z into z, another into z. Okay. So if we are expanding this term, this is going to come. Okay. Now from here, what are taken? First z is taken, x is taken, then one y is taken and one z is taken. Okay. Now we are going to write the remaining of the term. What is remaining? Minus 7, 1 y and 2 z's. That means z square. Okay. So here minus 7 y z z. Okay. That's why the coefficient is minus 7 y z square. Alright. This is how we do it. Now coming to the last sum of today, that is number 2 sum of sum number 10. Here they have said identify the terms and write the numeral coefficient in each of the following algebraic expression other than the constants. Okay. Now this is an algebraic expression we know. From here, this is the constant, so we are not going to consider that. So first we need to write down the terms and then the coefficients, numeral coefficients rather, numeral coefficients. So here the first one is number A I am writing, that is 2x. From 2x what we are going to get? 2. Now the next one is minus 3x square. Now in minus 3x square what we are going to get? Minus 3. So these are all for today. So you are going to complete from number 5 till number 10, and we are going to continue from here in our next video. So see you in the next video. From then on, thank you.